So, what I'd like to talk about today has a little bit to do about existence. Existence, to exist. To exist, we are given, or we acquire, or we have a space to exist in, we have matter to exist as, we have time to exist among, and we have a detection that is inherently limited to detect reality with, and that is existence. Existence is in some way recorded, and this is understood by what we call remote viewers. This recorded part, okay, the record. This record is also relevant to consensus reality. Consensus, I think it's O-U-S, consensus reality, okay? I'm not saying this is correct, or I'm not saying that it's good, I'm not saying that it's bad, I'm just saying that this is what I know. I'm just connecting dots here for right now. Now let's do something scientific to talk a little bit about this, okay? Let's make something scientific. Let's make a beaker. Beaker. We have a beaker. Let's make a little bit of matter to exist in the beaker, with the beaker, as the beaker, for the beaker. And let's make some time measurement, because you cannot have Thanksgiving dinner without actually the process of eating, cooking, baking, preparing, and eating the turkey dinner, okay? Or soy protein if you're vegetarian. Okay, so time to exist in, and with time you generally have a future, a perceived future, which has an expectation, and you have a perceived past sometimes. And some people would say that's the past, that's your karma, it's a pattern. We don't call this an expectation, but this pattern and this pattern is basically the same thing. It is basically the same thing. Everything can change. You change your pattern, your reality changes. You change your reality, you will have outgrown the pattern. There must also be a time density, let's say a density involved. How much time passes relevant to your perceptions. So there is a density involved. Density. Okay, and that is not mine. It actually belongs to somebody else, but I've forgotten momentarily who that is. No. Okay. Let me get, where did it go? Okay. Now, why am I doing this? Why am I preparing this? Well, there's this thing. It's called the Hidden Quantum People. And I know that we are not by ourselves. We are not alone in this. And in this, there are some strange things. And it's very frustrating when you have no myth, nothing in this consensus reality that tells you what the heck you're doing or what you are. There's all these people in the industry like psychics, and there's phenomenon, and there's all these different things, but unfortunately sometimes you don't get those things, and that's okay. You have something, but it's not, there's no myth behind it, there's no structure, there's no information from the rest of reality about what it is that you do or have or think or what have you. Okay, there's hidden data, there's hidden information, and some people perceive this, and maybe it's just for them. Maybe this is strictly just your TV show for you. Okay, What I'm here doing this for is that I have some answers to the way that I have perceived this hidden quantum stuff. I have found some answers, and that is what I'm trying to progressively address. Now this whole thing here does not answer. It is not the answer, okay? I'm leading up to the answer. I'm leading up, but I'm gathering some dot to dot, okay? Dot, 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 dot. I'm just going to lay out some dots, and then I'm going to connect them. And that hopefully will be a little bit more explanatory and hopefully help you, if you're a hidden quantum person, to adapt your world and your reality.